Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this luscious creamy Indian coconut curry. It is so creamy, you guys. It's so tasty. As I'm editing this video, my mouth keeps watering again and again. You guys, it is so tasty. So without no further talking, let's just go ahead and get started. So we'll start off by seasoning the chicken. I'm using chicken breast here. You can use whatever part of the chicken you like. So I added in some paprika, some cayenne pepper for extra kick, and then I'll be adding in some cumin powder. I crushed this freshly crushed. It smells so good. And then I'll be adding in some black pepper, and then some salt, and a little bit of Nigerian twist. Yeah, I know it is an Indian cuisine, but you know, I'm a Niger babe, okay? So we'll be adding in that one chicken seasoning cube. Then we'll be grating in some ginger. You guys, when you do this ginger thing, garlic as well, it is so flavorful. So I'll be grating in some garlic as well. In total, I grated about 4 cloves of garlic. Okay, so I will be mixing this thing together. Just mix it thoroughly, but my spoon is not just doing justice to this chicken, so switch to hands. Okay, but make sure that your hands is clean. Okay, yeah, just look at that. Rub it clean, wash the hand, and then cover this with a cling film, and then leave it to marinate in the fridge for at least 1 hour. But if you do overnight, your chicken will be so flavorful, I tell you. So while the chicken is marinating, we'll go ahead and prep the remaining ingredients. We'll be going ahead and to chop up all the tomatoes. Yeah, just finely chop them. Okay, these tomatoes look so cute, but I'm sorry, tomato, okay. Just go ahead and chop up all those tomatoes and then set it aside in a little bowl. When that is done, go ahead and chop up the scotch bonnet. Finally chop it, okay? Yeah, just like so. And then slit the green chili and set it aside as well. When that is done, go ahead and chop up the onions. Finely chop them, okay? You need to finely chop these onions because it is from there you get your gravy, this curry. After that, set a pot on fire, add in some coconut milk, some cinnamon stick, cardamom, cloves, and some bay leaf. Okay, allow that for 30 seconds in the fire. Then add in the onions. Saute these onions for at least 30 seconds. Then add in the green chili and red scotch bonnet. Add in the chicken. Fry this chicken till it turns from pink to white. Okay, yeah, just keep on stirring the chicken. So after that, we'll be adding in the tomatoes. Yeah, go ahead and add in the tomatoes. Add in some salt at that point. It will help the tomatoes to turn mushy fast. I didn't add anyways. After I fried the tomato a bit, go ahead and add in some curry powder, some turmeric powder, and some garam masala. You will get this garam masala in any Indian spice shop. Yeah, so we're going to fry this for at least 10 minutes. Go ahead and add in the luscious coconut milk. So creamy. So after that, stir it up. I added in a little more water as well. Cover this and cook at least 10 to 15 minutes. So after the 15 minutes has elapsed, you see how the coconut milk has made this to be creamy. I tasted for some salt in the near salt, so I added some salt. I stirred again and tasted, and it was good. You guys, just look at that. Look how gorgeous and creamy this curry is. Okay, I'll be adding in some coriander leaves for garnish and flavor, and then serve this with some white rice, turmeric rice, chapati, paratha, naan, garlic naan, or any flat bread of your choice, and garnish it with some more coriander leaves. Yeah, I hope you do give this recipe a try, and if you do, please come back and tell me your experience. I know you're going to love it. If this video is helpful to you, please support my channel by subscribing, like this video, share this video, please. I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, bye.